You'll try to come back when you fail. I always want the truth, but it's that you got something real. Okay, we're gonna start washing. I think I'm gonna wash like the newborn sizes. Well, these are the only 4 little newborn outfits that I got. But I think I'm gonna wash 0 to 3 months first, and then I'll leave the rest as she grows. Now we're gonna wash the blankets.
What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around.
How cute, I don't wanna take this off.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is
okay. I ordered some drawer organizer things, and then I went to the dollar store with my mom, and I found these for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. It's basically the same thing. Like, if I would have known that they had these at Dollar Tree, I probably wouldn't have ordered these. But then again, this one has like smaller ones for like other little things, and these are just this size. Let's get started.
Why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been before. See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, My love already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the dough. Yeah, someone who's got the dough. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the
Good morning, you guys. It is November 1st. Yesterday was Halloween, and I had my 37-week appointment yesterday. It was just like one of those quick appointments, and the doctor was like, so any day now she'll be here. You probably won't even make it to your next appointment. And that kind of like set things off. I was like, oh crap, like I need to like hurry up and like get everything done. Yeah, I don't know, that was scary. Today I'm trying to finish everything that I was gonna do as far as like nesting wise. Like I think I only have to sterilize the bottle and her pacifiers and stuff like that. What else? The car seat is finally coming today. It was supposed to get here yesterday, but it was like kind of delayed, so just waiting on that. I also started drinking the red raspberry leaf tea, and that was last week when I turned 36 weeks. And I was noticing I was getting some like period cramps, and I was like, oh shit, is it the leaf? Like I know that it doesn't induce labor, it just helps, you know, your cervix. But that too made me like, oh my god, never mind, let me stop drinking it. I'm not ready. So I stopped drinking it. I am gonna start drinking it maybe this week, just because I'm like, let me just finish cleaning and getting her stuff ready. I still have to pack our bags. I already did all her laundry and everything, so that's good. I'm planning on doing like more videos, so I'm like, let me just get everything ready so we can get all of these videos done before she gets here. I'm gonna miss my bump, you guys. Like I really love being pregnant. Yeah, today is the day that we're gonna finish with nesting, like at least with her nursery and like her stuff. Okay, now that her dresser is ready, I'm gonna like just go in there and show you how I organized everything. So this is the first drawer. Obviously this is like her changing area. So we have her diapers, we have some wipes. Back here we have some burp cloths and like these little ones. We have the baby oral cleaners, some baby Q-tips. Right here we have her Haka little baby nail filer. We have this little Frida, the 3-in-1, like to pick her nose or pick any dirt from her fingers or her ear. This little silicone thing, which we'll probably use in the shower. It came as a set. I'll show you guys everything. So it came with that one, with this little brush, and then
like 2 more brushes. I'll show you guys. Over here we have her chupones, her pacifiers, some teethers which she'll be not using yet. And then these I put in here for when she's old enough to start grabbing stuff, she can we can distract her with that while we change her diaper. And then over here we have her little first aid little kit that I was trying to put together. So we have the little thermometer, we have some baby chest rub, some gripe water. It's a little kit that I got from Little Remedies, the saline spray and drops, some fever and pain reliever, gas release drops, and more gas relief drops. And then over here we have like the little samples from the Amazon kit that we got, and then her little medicine syringe things. In the next drawer we have all her little onesies. All of these are like my only newborn stuff, and then these are like 0 to 3 months, 0 to 3 months, and this is the only 3 to 6 months. Like I said earlier, on Sunday when I was washing her stuff, I'm not gonna be washing everything. I'll just go as she grows. So for right now it's like newborn and 0 to 3 months and a little bit of 3 to 6. And then down here we have some wipes, some bibs that you can like throw out. I have some more wipes, some shower shampoo and lotion. This is her little bath towels and her body wash, shampoo and creams. And then up here I was kind of iffy, like should I keep this here, because I liked how this thing looked on its own. I have her little brushes that came in the set with the other little brushes. I mean, she's probably gonna be bald, but we just have it here for the aesthetic for now. We have some hand sanitizer, some diaper rash cream, and some baby oil for diaper changes and like after the shower. I can't breathe. So this is the other dresser that's in the closet. Here we have the accessories. So we have her socks. I still have to get mittens. I have her little knitted shoes, her little beanies. We have her bows in here, and then here just some extra hair accessories that were gifted. But like I said, she's probably gonna be bald because I was bald. Me and my siblings were born bald. In this drawer we just have extra storage. Like we have her another extra crib sheet, these little boots that were gifted on our gender reveal, but they're gonna be a little bit big for a little while, so we just keep them here. I have some extra storage and these little sonajitas. Then I just have some extra diapers from the box that I opened, and then this thing, which I thought it was a blanket, but I think it's a crib bumper. And then in the bottom, let me get down. Anyway, this is where her toys are in, or her love every toys. We just have like her blankets. I just put them up here. And then here we just have some extra stuff. I will be showing like the rest of the like nursery stuff in the actual nursery tour video, just because the nursery is still not done. That's it for her organization in the nursery room.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me,
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay, so the bottles are drying right now, and this is where I'm gonna be putting her little stuff. So this is like her little plates and her little like spoons and stuff. This one, it's like a thermal bottle, so I'm not gonna wash it just yet because I don't think she'll be using it yet, but it needs some space in this cabinet, so her little thing is gonna go here. After her bottles dry, I'll be organizing this, and that's pretty much it.
We just building. It's my season, lay foundation.